Hey Digi fans, welcome back to yet another video tutorial taking you from zero to digital hero using Adobe Spark. Now this video is all about, what's it all about? I've no idea what's it all about. Oh yeah, this one's about lunch and learn. This is where we use Adobe Spark Video to work out how to make some like a tasty lunch or a delicious breakfast or an amazing dinner, and you're going to put those steps together into your very own cooking video. Lunch and learn, people. Now, if you're on a tablet or a phone, download Adobe Spark Video for free. If you're on a laptop or desktop, just go to spark.adobe.com. So here's today's tutorial on how to make your very own lunch and learn cooking challenge video. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Okay, let's get going. So we want to create a project. It's going to be a video. Let's give it a title, Lunch and Learn. And I'm going to start from scratch. And here we go. So first things first, I'm going to put a title in. I'm going to call it Lunch and Learn. Might make it quite big, or maybe too big. And then I'm also going to add a photo to the background. Now I haven't got a particularly good photo of my own, so I won't be uploading any. So I'm going to find free photos. And if I just put cook, see what comes up. Oh, nice. Let's try this one. This one right here. Okay, so goes in the background. If you want to, you can zoom in if you want to do that. Quite like it around about there. That looks good to me. And we're going to record my first bit of voiceover. So, welcome to Lunch and Learn with me, DigiDom. In today's show, I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering fish finger sandwich. You'll be the envy of all your friends and family. Now, you can call it whatever you like. You don't have to call it Lunch and Learn. It's up to you. It's your program. You can call it Ready, Steady, Cook if you like. That was a good cooking program when I was a kid. I used to watch it all the time. Right. We've got our introduction. I'm going to go straight on to step one. Now, I have got a video here that I want to use. So I'm going to go into my, where have I got it here? Lunch and Learn. There we go. So first video is this one. Now, as soon as we get in here, it gives you this little editor. And this is where you can make this as long or as short as you like. Right. I think I'm going to end it about there. Now it doesn't really get interesting until maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll do it about there. 13 seconds. That looks around. You can see how long it is. That looks about right. Okay, 13 seconds. This always takes a little bit of time, so I'm going to speed this up. Now that I've got my clip in place, I'm going to do a couple of things. Here I'm going to turn it on to mute. Because I'm going to do a voiceover at the top and there's nothing particularly interesting happening with the sound. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in slightly. You'll see over here, look at this kitchen. It's a disgrace. Well, we're in the middle of trying to sort our kitchen out. So let me just focus on the parts that actually look half decent. There we go. What else am I going to do here? Yeah, maybe I'm going to put text on there. This time I'll do it as a caption actually. So I'll pop it down there and I'll just put step one. You can make it bigger if you like. Okay, nice. And I'm going to record my voiceover. Place them. Oh, now I got that wrong. It was a bad start. I wanted to say place the fish fingers carefully and I didn't get that right. So you can either delete it here, remove narration, or you can just start again. Place the fish fingers carefully on an oven grill before transferring them to the oven using an oven glove. Safety first, people. Have a look at mine. Nice. Okay, that'll do. Now I'm going to add in another slide. Just going to click here. As always, don't forget you can just move these around however you want to. We're going to go on to step two. Might make this a split screen. This one will be step 2. Oh, there we go. 15 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. Okay. Brill. Bigger again. Oh, maybe smaller. No, bigger again. Okay, that looks great to me. And let me explain it in my voiceover. Step 2. Leave them in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. That'll get them all warm and crispy. Okay, I'm liking that. If you want to preview anything that you do, you can just press here. Step 2. Leave them in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. That'll get them all warm and crispy. Nice. Now, over this side, I'm going to put a photo in. Now, we've got a terribly dirty oven, so I wasn't going to show you a picture of that one. So I'm going to find an oven on here. Yeah. Now these, I mean, you can kind of see it's toast, can't you? But maybe from a distance, maybe you could say it was. You see, look, if you zoom in, you can see it's toast, but from a distance, it kind of looks like fish fingers. We'll get away with that, I think. Right, new slide in, step 3. Let's put some text in. Step 3. Change it into a caption. Great. Okay, add some video in. Now here, you want to check out this clip. This is the worst piece of filming I think I've ever done. Now, as you'll be able to see, got my hand directly in front of the camera, which wasn't particularly good. But that's the bit where I put it down. Let's see what I've got here. Putting the bread in, pressing it down. Okay, that looks like a good section of the clip to use. Now it's time to add our voiceover. While the fish fingers are cooking, toast your bread. Don't do it too early though, because it's nice to eat when it's warm and, well, toasty. Now what you'll see is I've got 9 seconds of the voiceover here, but actually the clip itself is, if we check it out, if you click this button here, it actually matches it to the amount of time of the voiceover. Does that make sense? So if you press that button, it'll actually match the voiceover to the length of the voiceover to the length of the video clip you want to use. So let's have a look at what we've got now. A little bit of me blocking the camera almost entirely, pushing the toast down, and then letting it go. Okay, that'll do. I'm happy with that. Check the clip. While the fish fingers are cooking, toast your bread. Don't do it too early though, because it's nice to eat when it's warm and, well, toasty. Cool. Add another slide in. Time to go split screen again. This time it's step 4. Add mayonnaise. Add rocket. Make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to add in some video here. I think it's this one here actually. Okay. Now I want to make sure that it's got me putting some mayonnaise on and also putting on some rocket. So let's have a look. There, that's mayonnaise. That's also rocket. Nice. Now you can see I've reached my limit, my 30-second limit. You can just see there. Okay. So what I might do is I might even, bring it down slightly. Add some rocket. Okay. While that's saving, I just thought I'd show you that I do actually write everything down I'm going to say. Otherwise, you can get tongue-tied on camera. So write everything down because that's what makes a really good video. Okay, on we go. Again, I'm going to mute that clip so there's no sound getting in the way. I've got 23 seconds here. That's how long the clip is. I'm going to record my voiceover now. Add mayonnaise to your toast before adding a generous serving of rocket. If you don't like mayonnaise and you don't like rocket, that's fine. Choose whatever you like. You could put tomato sauce on there. You could put a little bit of cheese on there. You could even put salad cream or a banana. Whatever you want to make it interesting. It's up to you. Okay, so I like that one. I think that worked out well. Finally, let's go to step 5. Let's add in, let's do it as a caption. Step 5, make it a bit bigger. Add in some video. I've got one here. Great, and it's just of me slicing it up just at the end. Okay, make it about 5 seconds long. That'll do. Now that you've got your caption in there, just time to record the step 5 voiceover. Finally, step 5, slice that bad boy. Look after your fingers. Okay, great. And then I've just got this little video that I want to put in at the end. Okay, I think I won't make it any more than 14 seconds. You can see when you're moving, you see on this little thing here, every time you move the slider, that actually changes. And what I want to get is, there's a particular part. I recorded this in slow-mo. It's around about here. And if I just click the yellow line here. Okay, I think that's what I want. I'm going to turn the sound off and then just do a little voiceover for us. Thanks for watching Lunch and Learn. The only thing left to do is to sit back, relax, and film yourself eating the tasty morsel looking like a cow using the slow motion function on your phone. Results. And there we have it. There's your Lunch and Learn video. Let's have a little watch. Welcome to Lunch and Learn with me, DigiDom. In today's show, I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering fish finger sandwich. You'll be the envy of all your friends and family. Place the fish fingers carefully on an oven grill before transferring them to the oven using an oven glove. Safety first, people. Have a look at mine. Nice. Step 2. Leave them in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. That'll get them all warm and crispy. While the fish fingers are cooking, toast your bread. Don't do it too early though, because it's nice to eat when it's warm and, well, toasty. Add mayonnaise to your toast before adding a generous serving of rocket. If you don't like mayonnaise and you don't like rocket, that's fine. Choose whatever you like. You could put tomato sauce on there. You could put a little bit of cheese on there. You could even put salad cream or a banana. Whatever you want to make it interesting. It's up to you. Finally, step 5, slice that bad boy. Look after your fingers. Thanks for watching Lunch and Learn. The only thing left to do is to sit back, relax, and film yourself eating a tasty morsel looking like a cow using the slow motion function on your phone. Results.
I hope you enjoyed that video, Digi fans. I hope you also had a beautiful snack or feast even, and put it all together using Adobe Spark Video. So please do share your tasty morsels with me using hashtag DigiDom. Find me on the socials, Dom_Traynor, so we can share each other's food. Share each other's food with each other. I can give you digital round of applauses and yeah, just like have fun and stuff. Cool. So yeah, subscribe to these videos if you want to get them as soon as they come out. And apart from that, where am I going to see you? On the next video. That's correct. Well done.